This is actually part 2 of a little mini-series sponsored by Viwoods, where I'm showing you how to get the most out of the Viwoods tablet. In the first one, I showed you how you could use their paper app, their note-taking app, and how you can make to-do items directly from that paper app. I've got my notes here, incidentally, on the Viwoods reader. That is 4G, so it's linked to my cloud notes as well. Both of these look amazing out here in the bright sunlight, don't they? Which is just part of the amazing benefits of using e-ink tablets in your workflows. This video is about the notes themselves and how you can organize them and structure them to make them easier to find bits to return to them later as much more useful documents. Because if you're not careful, then an e-ink tablet can become messy and not as useful as it should be. An e-ink tablet shouldn't just turn your pile of paper into a pile of digital notes. This is the system for people who think with a pen in their hands. Most people come to e-ink as a way to get around that paper chaos that they've built up between their notes and their diary and all the documents that you get handed. But if you're not careful, then an e-ink tablet can become just as cluttered and messy as your paper pile on your desk. And that's why Viwoods have now added a really smart outline feature to their notebooks. So you can still have the real pleasure of making a handwritten document, but it can be well organized so you can find stuff later on. And I would suggest this is a really nice way to think about it. Have fewer notebooks on the device, and when you want to start a new thought, don't think, oh, I'll start a new notebook, I'll start a new document. Think to yourself, I'll start a new page and I'll add that page to my outline. So in this document, which is all about my thoughts as I re-reviewed the Viwoods AI paper recently, you'll see that within the outline, which I can access from just up here, I've got two types of marks. I've got my handwritten quick marks and my more formal outline, where I've decided where certain sections start and end. For me, the easiest to use and most common one that you will start to use will be the quick marks. All you have to do here is circle to select, and then click on this little flag here. And now you can see that bit of handwriting is in my marks section of my outline. Very easy just to jump backwards and forwards to different points in your document. And it's a good idea to keep editing that structure as you go. So for instance, I've actually filmed all this. So what I can do now is simply take that mark and remove it, and then that is gone from my outline. You can create a more formal entry to that outline from the More menu down here, Set Outline, and in here you can type a name for that section start, let's say. You can also add new outline entries from here, whichever is more convenient for you. I think that's an incredibly useful tool. If you're someone who's keen on the idea of bullet journaling and creating and keeping a contents page, revisiting past notes, digesting them and migrating them, well, this will do a similar sort of thing, but without the sort of laborious, monotonous act of rewriting every point in a new notebook when you get there. I think it makes the difference between just some scribbles that are useful to you there and then for getting your thoughts out, which this document is an example of that, or making a document that you'll actually revisit time and time again, which will remain useful to you throughout different parts of a project. For example, my list of things that I have to film today. It gives you the freedom of handwriting, but it doesn't make you feel like you're still trapped inside that list of, well, now digital pages. Your e-ink tablet should enable you to have fewer notebooks and just make better documents. Get out of the habit of starting a new notebook every time and simply add that new thought to the outline. Try and live with like one notebook per project or per area that you deal with. One notebook for every hat that you wear, if you like. And know that taking the time to structure your notebooks well, it isn't procrastinating. It's taking the time to review and revisit the thinking that you've done on those pages. By doing so, that often leads to better thinking, that often leads to deeper thoughts, that often leads to new ideas. And I really like that quick marks to be able just to flag an item to return to later. This is great for creators, it's great for teachers, it's great for consultants or project management. It's great for for research as well. It's also great just for your life admin. But I'd love to know what workflows or what features you'd like demoed next.